Welcome to number 6 Sargent Street, New Farm. This is a fantastic opportunity for a family or professional couple looking for a 3-bedroom townhouse in one of Brisbane's best suburbs. I'm Angelo Zato.
And I'm Elisa McMahon. Let's go take a look.
The walkability of this location is superb. Just a few minutes walk from home, you'll be enjoying the serenity of those river vistas.
The living room and outdoor area blend seamlessly, providing the perfect place for entertaining friends and family against the leafy green backdrop.
Upstairs you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with the master suite having its own private balcony. The best news is this beautiful townhouse has no body corporate fees. Open homes have now been scheduled.
We look forward to seeing you soon.